friends, I welcome everyone to my channel Fifachka Nails.
If you also prefer a short manicure, this does not mean that you should limit yourself to only a single color coating. Of course, some nail designs are created specifically for a long length and when repeated on a short length, shorten the nail plate even more. And yet, many nail art are easily adaptable to any shape and length. This selection is clear proof of this. Watch options can be used of short nails. This is a shiny manicure using pearl powder, gold foil and various glitters. You can also work using the stamping technique. If you want, nothing will stop you from doing even French manicure on short nails. If you prefer a square shape, it is better to limit yourself to a classic French manicure, a mini Buddha. But in the case of short oval nails, you can experiment and, for example, make an oblique French or try to combine several patterns at the tip of the nails. A shiny manicure is a win-win option for any length of nails. Shiny patterns can be chaotic, or they can be repeated on adjacent nails. They can be painted with a highly pigmented varnish, or you can paint the details first with a clear varnish and apply a pearl powder. Stamping designs are created specifically to make nail experiments accessible. And no matter what length of nails we are talking about. One short nails many patterns look even more advantage, while a long nails it is more difficult to find the optimal positions for their placement. A monochromatic manicure can be diluted by adding several shades of the nail polishness. This manicure definitely looks more interesting than a classic monochrome. You can also experiment with textures, combine classic glossy varnish or matte finish with shimmer base. Well, Fifachka Nails was with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, share in the comments. Enjoy watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy my selections of manicures. Good luck to all, bye bye!